What is this deer in headlights looking crazy? Good morning, y'all. Hey fam, long time no see. Welcome to DAT Family 5. My name is Atoya. I am the wife of Douglas and the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. I am so ecstatic to be feeling almost myself. This is a life update, and if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, just let me let you know what we do. We do cleaning motivation, we do cleaning, cook with me's, and we do anything lifestyle wise with being a family. We are a family that loves life and having fun, and we love giving you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly. All right, so after all that, let's go ahead and get into it. So it has been today is Saturday, so it has been 23 days since I've had my hysterectomy. It has been a process. So I'm gonna put a video, I'm gonna put a picture here with me holding 2 cups. So before the video, if you haven't yet, I'm not gonna tell you stop. I still want you to continue to watch this video, but once you're done watching this video, go ahead and click the icon up below on the right side, on the left side, and go ahead and go to my life update, and that will tell you what's been going on with me. But anywho, I was diagnosed with Hashimoto's, and with that being said, I didn't know that I had it because I wasn't taking very good care of myself medically, if that makes sense. I've had hypothyroidism since I was 15, but I had stopped taking my thyroid medicine for about 2 years because I feel like I didn't need it. I was like, you know what, I don't need this stuff because I'm already exercising, I'm eating the best I can, I'm doing what I can, and whatever. I don't like taking medication. How many people like taking medication? Do you like taking medication? I know I don't like taking medication. So that's why it got to the point to where I was having extreme bleeding. I got to having extreme dizziness. You know that feeling when you get up? That feeling when you get up and you feel like the whole world, like, whoo, yes, I was getting that, and I know that's part of the Hashimoto's. And so with that, with the hypothyroidism, so I got my blood work checked in, where we at, November. So I got my blood work check in September, and yeah, I was all out of whack. I'm still out of whack, but we getting there, okay? My doctors at my work has been taking good care of me. I went to an endocrinologist. I did not like him, so I'm like, you know what? Hey, you're gonna take care of me until I figure out what's going on. And he's like, okay, we're gonna do that. So that's what we're doing. And he is in my other video, but I will go ahead and shout him out again today. Dr. RODNEY Thompson, on his Instagram handle is at Rod of Discipline. He is freaking amazing. He is a young doctor. He is 38, and he is so smart and so caring. He's a functional doctor, not a conventional. He's a functional doctor if you allow him to be. Let me say it like that. If you have questions, ask him. If you have anything, you know, so if you're in the Hampton Roads area of Virginia, look him up. That's all I'm gonna say, okay? All right, so with that being said, so life update. So I went and got my hysterectomy on the 5th of November. We are now in November 29th, 8th. Y'all, what's the date? The November 28th. Lord have mercy. November 28th. So it was pretty weird. Like, my experience was, I was nervous, of course. I had to do a prep the day before, and before that day, I had to stop eating. So that's what happened. And so I did the prep, thought I would never stop pooping. I don't know if y'all, I mean, I'm 38, so I haven't had a colonoscopy yet. So I haven't had to do a prep or, you know, clean my bowels out. But, yeah, I feel for y'all. I worked in GI, and I know how it is, like, but I can empathize. I'm like, I can poop, you know, was that? But no. I'm sorry, this might be TMI, but yeah, I thought I would never stop pooping, but I did. And so that morning we went in and I got checked out, and the ladies were wonderful as always at the hospital that I go to. Nervous as always, prayed and just went on through it, got it done because I want to feel better. Like, I'll be 39 in 33 days. So I'm like, okay, I need to make sure that I am able to be here for my kids. That's the main thing. And be here with my husband and make sure he's healthy and all these things. And so with that being said, it's like, okay, so what's going to be happening? I got this hysterectomy, okay? It was weird. Because, you know, when you first go, like, you know, they put the little bit of medicine, get you nice and relaxed. So now before you go in to the operating room, so we're going in the operating room. They're like, man, I'm going to need you to scoot over to the bed. Okay, I need you to scoot down because, you know, it's hysterectomy. So it got to come out a certain way. And it was a robotic laparoscopic hysterectomy. The proper term was a robotic laparoscopic hysterectomy salpingectomy, which is my fallopian tubes. And uterus taken out, and cervix. And so with that being said, it was weird because she's like, okay, go on to bed. And I'm sitting here, y'all, I've always tried to fight the medicine because I'm like, look, I want to see what's going on. I'm trying to control, but that medicine takes hold. So last thing I remember is them putting, they had put IVs in both of these arms, and they put IVs in both of these arms on my forearms because they couldn't get the AC or the middle of the arm. And so they did that, and then what happened, they put like these little gloves over my arm, so it's like they folded over, and then they pulled me back. They was like, go ahead, lay back, Miss Thomas. I said, okay. So I laid back, and next thing I know, they put the thing, and next thing I know, I'm sitting up talking about pain. I'm in 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 pain. They was like, Miss Thomas, we need you to breathe. I'm in pain. You can't get no medicine until you breathe. I'm like, I'm breathing now. What are you talking about? It was like, we need your SpO2 to go up. I'm like, oh, okay. So I started trying to get myself to breathe. That's like, okay, good. So they gave me some pain medication. Oh, my husband, as wonderful as he has been through my 2 C-sections and everything, he's so wonderful. Y'all, he's mine. That's all I can say. He prayed for me, and he got me. That's all I can say. Anywho, so we go, and they put me into the recovery room, gave me some crackers. I got a soda. I was so happy to have a soda. They wanted me to pee. I peed and everything, and took the IVs out, and you know, I was feeling like la. You know, when you go under, they put they incubate you. They put a tube down your throat. So I got that done, but my throat was it was sore. Mind you, my throat is always sore because of the thyroid. So I was like, okay, it's extra sore, but it's okay. So we got home. As soon as I got home, my mama came, and my mama came a couple hours after. We got home, I lay down in my bed and went back to sleep. Started taking my medications and stuff. I will say the pain got, cause I'm hard-headed. So the pain, I did a lot of pain to get kind of high. And if you are having a surgery, especially an abdominal surgery, you gotta understand you use your core for everything. If you turn your head like this, your core is getting moved. If you turn your head like this, your core is getting moved. You put your arm up, you're using your core. You put your arm up, put your arm behind you, your core and your back is being used. So with that being said, it was like, oh, it kind of felt like I had a C-section again, okay? So I was, so I had to hold my belly in, hold my incisions in. I had 4 incisions on my stomach, and I thought they were, I'm gonna put a picture here. All right, so we're gonna pause the show. It's about to get real sensitive to me. So I'm just letting y'all know, I'll put myself out there. Be gentle. I thought they were gonna look bad when I took them off because I had 10 days to take them off. But I healed really well up top, which was wonderful. They don't even look like anything's there. Like it looks wonderful. My doctor did freaking amazing. And he is wonderful. So with that being said, got home, got something to eat, relaxed, chilled out. I've been talking to my best friend, and everybody's been checking on me, and everybody on my YouTube family. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for checking on me. It's funny how you go into this thing not knowing what's going to happen starting the YouTube world. And it's craziness, I ain't gonna lie. It's like a really dysfunctional family because you kind of get into a family, you gotta try to get yourself into a family, and I'm into a family finally, and I'm so excited. And we are slowly but surely growing. Right now we at 396, and I'm trying to get to 400 before my birthday. I know that sounds like, Toya, that's small. No, it's not. It's not small. It's big for me. I've been working hard, and I mean I've been working hard. I've been working hard on this for almost 2 years, and DAT Family 5 is going to be having some updates coming soon, but we're not going to talk about that right now. We are talking about me. Okay, we're talking about me. First week was kind of bad. Doug was pretty much telling me to sit my butt down. He was like, sit down, Toya. Just sit down. So I would get up, go to the bathroom, and lay back down. Get up, walk to the front, go lay down. When I go to the bathroom, I would go to the bathroom, walk out the room, make a circle around my house 2 times, and come back and lay down. Just so I can keep the blood moving around in my body. So I wouldn't get no aneurysms or anything like that. No, this was an outpatient. Y'all know we got the virus going on, so it was an outpatient type thing. I don't know, back in the day, you stayed in the hospital until you had pooped 3 days. So yeah, I did have more Marilax. I kept with Gas X. I will say, anything that you get done on your abdomen, they will do a prep on you. Okay, they will do a bowel prep on you. So please because they have to put air in your stomach. So please make sure you have Gas X with you, because if you don't have Gas X with you, it's not gonna be good. It's not gonna be good at all, because you can't really push the gas out because it hurts. So it's weird. It was like really weirdest feeling. Okay, so let me get to the other part. So for me, the part that hurt for me, the part that was bad for me was because I had already had 2 C-sections. Mamie was an emergency C-section, and Ezekia was a scheduled one because Mamie was so emergency, and we'll get into their story later on. But with that being said, my uterus actually had a scar tissue on it, and so he said it took him longer to take care of the scar tissue area than it did for him to release the uterus and the fallopian tubes and the cervix and pull it out. So I'm like, oh, okay. So he said you will be feeling some type of pain, and the awkward pain that I was feeling was in my rectum. Okay, so it's just the pressure. Y'all gotta remember, everything in your pelvic is all connected with all types of nerves and stuff. And so in my rectum, y'all, everything was fine. Like, I was good, but then my rectum was like, yo, dude, lay back down. Like, I felt like pressure. It felt like if you had, y'all know when we have babies, we still feel like pressure until after, for like the first 3 or 4 months. And so for the last week, I haven't been feeling that bad with the pressure. But the first 2 weeks, yes, the first week and a half, yes, that pressure was crazy. And I would go riding with my husband because I couldn't drive, so I had to go ride with him. He hit a bump, and I was like, oh no, we can't do this. I gotta go home. And so he was like, okay, we're going home. But it's better. It's like at a 1 to 2 now, maybe 1.51. At times, like right now with me laughing, I can still feel a little slight pressure in my rectum, which is okay. What else? Like I said, the husband's been wonderful. The kid's been wonderful. I do have a about to be 17-year-old, and she's a little bit more by herself, but that's okay. Ezekia, the baby, a little bit more by herself, but my middle child is the ish. She has been the ish. She has been right next to me the entire time that I was in bed. She would come and visit me. She would love on me. Mommy, okay? Mommy, you need anything? Mama, do you want me to do anything for you? The oldest has good hands. She has good hands, so she always massaged my shoulders. So she did that. Baby girl, as y'all saw, if y'all in my Instagram down below, at DAT Family 5, baby girl was all right beside. She attached to that arm, always attached to the arm. And y'all saw the dogs, and Topaz is to me, she's my dog. So she knows something was wrong with mama. So, but yeah, I just want to let you know I am feeling great. There'll be more videos coming up. Actually, there will be a there's gonna be an update on some things. So you'll be seeing some changes on Instagram and on YouTube pretty shortly, but we will get to you, we will let y'all know what's going on in the middle of December, okay? And I am hoping that y'all love us so much and y'all are with us till the end, so that we will be able to just be with y'all and y'all just continue to show y'all continued support and love for us. We appreciate y'all so much, and make sure y'all like this video because it helps my videos, it helps me out and our family out so much, okay? Make sure you comment down below. Have you had any surgeries? If you had, let me know how you felt about them, so we can get to talking and get to growing and get to learning each other. I know this thing, talking back and forth, is kind of hard, but that's the cool thing about the internet right now. We can still build a relationship, okay? A friendship, and I'm so excited about that. Y'all, I'm about to get emotional. I'm not trying to get emotional. That's another thing. Since I've had this thing out, I've been like really emotional. It's weird. I've been actually telling Douglas how I feel about things. At nighttime, we watching movies, and he was like, all right, I'm ready to go to bed. I said, but I'm enjoying ourselves. And he's like, okay, we watch one more thing. I said, no, now I'm sleepy. But anywho, but so yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know that we truly appreciate y'all, okay? My Douglas. Oh, you look cute in that sweater. You look cute. Come say hi to everybody.
No.
Oh, you gotta go potty? Okay, and so with that being said, I'm just really excited for everything. I'm getting back into cleaning. It took me a while before, but y'all, it's craziness. But I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Like I said, stay with us. Stay with us throughout this time of me not being able to really do what I'm used to. The man above that have been working on me said, make sure y'all like this video because it helped my channel, it helps our channel so much. I want y'all to make sure y'all comment down below if y'all had any surgeries. If you're a new subber, go ahead, put your name there, let me know what's going on. If you are one of my YouTube people, one of my friends that is on YouTube, anybody that's on YouTube, go ahead in your comment box, put your YouTube channel with that. Or just put an arrow to your name saying, hey, I have a YouTube channel. Come check me out too. Because we are growing this community, okay? That is what I'm about. This is not no competition. I'm trying to be a better person, and my competition is me. Just like your competition is you, okay? I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Like I said, go ahead and comment down below. My mama's calling. She's been on me every day, so which is fine. I am the oldest and only girl, so but with that being said, I love y'all. Have a good day. Peace out, y'all. And y'all already know, we will see you on the tube. Bye, y'all.